Alright guys, what's going on? Haven't seen any ZR2 content in a while, and it's been too long. So we are back in the truck, and we're actually headed up to a place called Table Rock. You've been there before. If you follow me in some of my hiking vlog playlists, you'll know that we've been up there a couple times. Camped up there. It's a great place to go, and right now we're en route to go up there to check out some Forest Service roads. We're going to do a little exploring today, and we're also going to get a nice hike in, go down some trails we haven't been down, so it should be pretty cool. As far as like four-wheeling and stuff, there's not really a lot, but it's more just riding some forest roads and doing a little bit of exploring. You see stuff like that right there all the time, and you're like, oh, I wonder where that road goes, you know. So, and the mountains are turning right now. And in East Tennessee, this is a beautiful place to be right now. I mean, this is just fabulous. Fabulous! No, like the Grinch says. But these mountains are just incredible out here. I mean, you're not gonna get views like that anywhere else, unless you're in like Colorado or something, you know, or you're North Carolina area. We're probably out west. Up north. Okay, so yeah, maybe there is a few other areas that you can get this, but I mean, you know, this is not, so you have to like kind of get out to actually find this stuff. I mean, it's not, some people don't have it in their backyard, but so we're on our way to Table Rock. Should be about, I think I'm looking at about an hour drive from here, so it's a pretty long haul to get home. And one of the other things that I just switched up on this truck, I actually ended up taking the sway bar off of it because I wanted to see how it does on the road with no sway bar. And, you know, is it dangerous? You know, how does it drive? And so far, my thoughts are it's a little floaty, and it definitely leans hard in corners. But the thing is, though, I don't drive this truck hard because it's, you know, obviously a lifted truck with a house on the back, so there's no point in me driving it hard. And, you know, these tires and stuff, they really pull the motor down. So if I'm going over 70 miles an hour, it's really just drinking the gas. So I honestly keep it right at 70. So I have no reason to go like stupid fast in this thing. And the sway bar, if you guys have a ZR2 and it has a lift from rough country or pretty much anybody on it, you'll notice that your sway bar is going to be in this crazy bind, and it will kill the end links about every, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. The end links are just completely shot. Like, it crushes the end link. Like, there's no material left in it. So basically what we decided to do was remove it because I'm tired of going through end links, and I'm going to redesign a sway bar end link that's detachable, so like a quick disconnect for the sway bar. And I'll probably do a video on that, but I need to model this up and you know, actually get something going for it. But I'm probably gonna give you guys a little time lapse here. We get into some forest roads. We'll probably do some more filming, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys this, talk a little bit about the truck. I know it's been a long time, and the last time you guys saw this, it was actually down in the Key West, about 90 miles from Cuba. And that was an amazing trip. If you haven't checked out that vlog where we went to Key West, be sure to check it out. It was a fun trip. That's one I'll never forget. So anyways, we're gonna go up here a little further, and I'll catch back up with you guys. So I just want to update you guys. If you type in Table Rock on Google Maps, it will take you to a crossing in the road called Table Rock. I guess there's a town of Table Rock. Well, this is the town. As you can see, there's not a whole lot going on. So we're gonna go right because we could see actual Table Rock's lookout from the little Forest Service road. So we're gonna keep going this way, and I'm gonna put Google aside and start going off Gaia Maps real quick. We're gonna use Gaia to get us there because I can find forest roads from here. It was kind of a cool road. Like, if you just want to drive a really different road and see some cool sights, and if you're into the twisty turns and stuff, and maybe you're coming up through here in, like, you know, a car that's built for taking some turns, like, you know, the Camaro or a Mustang or something fun, like, you could take it up through there and have a blast with it. Because the road was really twisty, and I had no sway bars, so I was obviously letting everyone go by me. But it's pretty neat. This little road here's not too bad either. It's really tight, actually. It seems like this road's a little bit more narrow than most normal roads. Kind of funny, but we're gonna keep going, and I'm sure we're gonna hit gravel here soon. So we're gonna follow this dog because I think he's onto something. Come here, buddy. Where are we going? Hopefully he doesn't run into us. Oh, look, he looks so happy. Hello, friend. Hello. Hi. I know, he's a stray. I think it's a stray. So, this road that we're on, according to Gaia, which is so much more reliable, appears to lead to Forest Service roads, and I think they branch off and go to Table Rock, but we're just gonna kind of go with our nose here. Because there it is, boys. There's Table Rock, way up there in the distance. That's actually where you end up at. So from where we're at, getting there, I can't tell from here. It looks like this comes to a dead end. It's kind of hard to tell. I'm seeing a road to the left, and we might be able to take it. It might be a footpath. That's the thing. I don't have the really expensive map layers, so it tells you. Yeah, see, I told you it's a dead end. So here's Table Rock, and private road, dead end. We're not authorized. Okay, so we're gonna turn back around and go back out here to the main highway and follow that around, because I think I can get to Table Rock from there.
Is this gravel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anytime you see like broken lines, it's either a footpath or gravel.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back out and go down this road, because there's all kinds of Forest Service, and that should lead us back, but obviously we can't go this way. So we're gonna turn around. All right, so now we're on Table Rock Road. The way that it is trying to take us in before, it goes to a private drive, and for some reason that private drive is now like, it's like felonies if you're on it. So someone has apparently, I don't know if purchased the road, built a house on it. There's something over there that obviously they don't want the general public to do. So the alternate way to go in is not an alternate way to go in. So if you are on Google and you guys are playing around and you find Table Rock, don't go Table Rock. Type in Table Rock parking area. I was just kind of playing around seeing where it went, just because I thought, you know, might as well try it and see where it goes. And it can get you there, but it's unfortunately like blocked off, banned. I mean, you probably could have went down it, but I didn't want to risk it. It was pretty much saying like police are authorized to arrest if you're caught on this road. So I don't know if this road ties into it. There must be a turnoff somewhere, but you can't go down it. So long story short, stick to the ginger cake and go that way in. You can't miss it. And Google can actually, well, if you type in Table Rock, you'll miss it. So make sure and type in Table Rock parking area. Not that I didn't know any better. We were just trying to find a different way in than just this usual road that we take, which is nothing wrong with this road. It's fantastic, but it's, you know, just looking for something different. So this road will go back to pavement, and then it's gonna snake up the side of Table Rock. So it's actually pretty cool. So as far as what kind of vehicles can get here, pretty much anything. I mean, unless you're like lowered or something for some whatever reason, if you're trying to take like a car that you would normally like carve corners in up through here, I would not advise that. But you know, any kind of normal vehicle wouldn't have a problem coming up through here. So the colors are just awesome.
We were here just like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, we were just here 2 weeks ago, and you know, it was starting to turn, but now it is full send on the leaves. This is just so awesome. So as you guys have seen before, this hike is not crazy by any means. It's actually pretty simple. It's about a mile, judging by the signs down there. So it's pretty much all uphill, so it's gonna be all downhill coming back. Once we get to the top though, the views are insane. And I'm hoping, since we've caught it this time of year, we'll be in peak, which I think we're in peak, so this should be crazy. As far as elevation, I need to check Guy and see how high up we are. It's pretty high up though, and it's straight uphill. And I went hard with legs this week, so I'm probably gonna be lagging behind a little bit today. But we'll see when we get to the top. I'll update you guys, but as you can see, it is completely uphill the entire way. Now that I'm out of breath, you guys can hear That's the gorge, Linville Gorge. So we actually did a hike. We actually did a hike last week and went down there, and there's a trail called Sitting Bear, and that trail is incredible. And it's about probably 2.5 miles straight downhill. How far would you say? Spence Creek. Spence Bridge. So it was near Sitting Bear though, but there's a trail called Spence Creek or Spence Bridge. I'll have to update you guys. Back on my Instagram post actually shows what the trail was, but it's straight downhill hike to it, and it's down there at the base of this gorge, and it is incredible. So we are probably gonna go back there again, and I'll be sure and actually film it. I wanted to film it last time, but it was kind of rainy. It was cold, so my issue with that was I didn't want to kill my equipment. But on a day like today, it's not too bad. So if we go back, I'll definitely film that for you guys. And it's incredible because you can kind of see parts of Table Rock from down there. And it's awesome. So if you haven't done it, follow me on Instagram. You can see all the posts from that. It's pretty sweet. We've made it to the top. It's pretty awesome. You got about a mile walk up here, and it's totally worth it. Now you can go on up a little higher, and the only issue is right now the gnats and mosquitoes for some reason are insane up there because there's a spring coming out, and it's really hot today, which is unusual for, you know, into October to be 75 degrees. So, you know, the mosquitoes are going nuts, so we can't get all the way up there without getting attacked. But this is pretty much what you could see from, like, you know, the entire 360 degree view of this thing. Let me see if I can get up here. Like if you go over here, that's what you'll see from the very top. You know, you can see all around though. It's just incredible what all is out through here. It's just awesome. It's totally worth coming up here. Now it is from where we live about an hour and a half, almost 2-hour drive really, because by the time you hit this Forest Service road down here, you've got a solid 45-minute ride. And unless you're really flying up through here, you can do it in about 35 maybe, but I mean, you've got to be flying up that Forest Service road, and that's not really a good idea because it's pretty tight. You never know who you're going to meet on the other side. So but there you go, guys. That is just a little taste of Table Rock. And if you guys haven't done it already, be sure and subscribe. Check out all the other videos I've got on my channel. Got plenty of other things that we've done with the ZR2 and the muscle truck and all this other stuff that we're working on, and look forward to it. And this winter is going to be awesome. And you know, as far as the builds are concerned, we've got tons of stuff. You know, the Holly Sniper's coming, so I'm just waiting for the right time to put that on. And you know, the off season's coming up on us, so it's definitely going to be build season. But with that, thank you guys for watching, and you know, be sure and smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think, and come see Table Rock. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you in the next one.